you're part of the family, welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video hopefully will be short and sweet and is actually very specific to my coffee drinkers, coffee lovers out there. And I just want to show you guys a hack that I found for the Nespresso Vertuo Next. I actually just got that espresso machine maybe about a month ago, and when I bought it, I brought it home and it came with some sample little pods and little capsules, and I loved it. I found one that a specific coffee that I liked, and when I went to the website to order them, or even on Amazon, I was like, wow, these are pretty pricey. They're like €1, maybe a little more, €1.50 per little pod. And I was like, I drink coffee every day, sometimes twice a day. I'm like, that's how much it costs for me to go to like a bakery and get, you know, some coffee. I'm like, there has to be a way for this to be cheaper. So I went on Amazon and actually found some really cute and very useful silicone lids that I have been using with my little pods or capsules for the Nespresso. And I love because there were only €14 for two, and so it's honestly not even that much money. So I'm saving money there, and I can also use the coffee that I love and that I have been loving because I wasn't able to find it on their website. I'm really into the Starbucks medium roast blend right now. It just reminds me of home, and so I have been loving it. But they don't sell capsules with those. So I love that I'm able to save money and I'm also able to use my own coffee. So anyways, today's video is showing you guys how I do that and that hack. I will also put a link below to where you guys can purchase it if you're interested through Amazon. All right guys, let's get to it. Alright guys, so let's get started. These are the little pods that the Nespresso machine has. So the technology that it has is that it picks up, I think it's either these barcodes here, some way, somehow, to where it can detect what type of coffee you want, depending on these barcodes, okay? So if I put a pod for an espresso, which is 40 milliliters, and then it'll just do 40 milliliters. If I put in the little pod for a double espresso, it knows to do 80 mLs, and so on and so forth. So for that reason, we need to be able to reuse these pods, okay? So here's where the hack comes in. You're going to need some scissors where you're going to cut around this aluminum top, okay? I've done it also with small like paring knife, and just cut all the way around and empty out the coffee inside, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right, here we go. So you have the top aluminum kind of foil lid that you're taking out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and go to my sink to drain or to get rid of all of this dried up coffee, okay? So when I went ahead and cleaned out all the coffee, as you can tell, at this point you can get a Sharpie, which is what I've done to all my other ones over here, and write down here the mLs that this little cup will tell the Nespresso machine to make. So for example, this is another one that I have that's also 80 mLs. I wrote 80 mLs here. Pardon my little chicken scratch handwriting. Here I put 40 mLs. This is for a regular espresso. I have the next size up, which is 150 mLs. And then the full cup of coffee, which is 230 mLs, okay? So I labeled it in the back just so I know whenever I wanna have my cup of coffee in the morning or my espresso, I know what type of coffee I'm gonna get according to which capsule I use, okay? So I know that I'm making here 80 mLs. I actually don't wanna make 80 today. I think I wanna make 230. I just wanted to show this one to you guys how I cut it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my 230 because I want a full cup of coffee. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in this little basket that I have here. I got an IKEA, all right? And I'm going to fill it with the amount of coffee that I want. And this is what I love. I love that I'm able to use the coffee that I like, my Starbucks medium roast. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it inside my little cup, okay? And then I just press down. So if you want a strong cup of coffee, you can put as much as you want. If you want it kind of light, however you want. At the end, I kind of just tap it here on the side so that I don't have any coffee around the rim of my capsule, okay? We're gonna go ahead and put this back. And now, here we have our lids. Now these are like silicone lids. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how flexible they are. Okay, very, very flexible, very easy to wash. And I think I paid 14 euros for 2, all right? So after I use it, I clean it, and they're, like I said, it's very easy to clean, and it has those little holes here on the side that we saw on the one that we had just used in the Nespresso with the aluminum foil, right? So they're made specifically for these little capsules for the Nespresso Vertuo Next, okay? So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna place it right on top, and right where you have your little indentation going around, okay, and that's where you want it facing up. So you're going to just put it in there. This is super easy. Like, I'm taking my time now to show you guys, but in the morning, I do this in a breeze. So I just press down lightly to make sure that it's all clean and nothing is lifted. And we're gonna go ahead and make some coffee. All right, here we go. My water is filled in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna go ahead and put my little capsule here inside. Close it up. Hit my button. Have my cup ready and ready to make some coffee. Now I usually drink my coffee with monk fruit sweetener, which is what I have here. I know it says sugar, but it's actually monk fruit sweetener, which is 0-calorie sweetener. And I'm going, oh, it started. You see how it's working? There it is. Alright, so it is done. Look at that, guys. So lovely and beautiful, and I love that I got to use my coffee. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the side here. I'm gonna add some sugar in a little bit. Open this up, and as you guys know, that gets dropped in this little hole where you open this up and you grab it. It's easier for me to just kind of clean it right now. I know it's a little hot, but it's not too hot. And that is what that looks like. It is kind of nasty around, obviously, but like I said, it's easy to clean, okay? All right, so like I was telling you guys, lately I have been loving my coffee with just a little bit of monk fruit sweetener, and I've been doing like 2 teaspoons, which is about half, like that amount in this little spoon. I've kind of just measured it out. I know what it is. So I put it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. And here we go. My coffee. Voila. All right, so that's about it. Super easy, right? I do this once, sometimes twice a day, and it's super fast. Like, I take my time here because I was trying to show you guys how to do it, but once you depot those little capsules, you get to do it in no time. And like I said, it's amazing because we're saving money and we can actually use our actual coffee that we appreciate. So, all right guys, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video.